What if I told you your succulents aren't just sitting pretty on your windowsill, they're hiding a secret? A secret that, when unlocked, forces them to multiply like nature's own cloning machine. These are tricks you won't hear from the average gardener because they sound almost too suspicious to be true. Today I'll reveal 5 masterful ways to make your succulents produce more pups than you ever imagined. Number 1. Choose succulents that actually produce pups. Hens and chicks, Haworthia, aloe, agave, echeveria, even the humble snake plant, these are all the real players in the pup game. Not every succulent has the instinct to reproduce this way. And here's the part most people don't realize. If you choose the wrong variety, you could wait forever and never see a single baby. Nurseries won't always tell you this because they want you buying more plants. Number 2. Keep succulents in a pot-bound state. A Haworthia crammed into a small pot will panic in the best way possible. It begins throwing out pups to survive. Once the roots fill every inch of soil, the plant redirects its energy into creating offsets. And here's the suspicious truth. Giving them a bigger pot actually weakens their instinct to multiply and increases the chance of deadly rot. Sometimes less space is the real secret weapon. Number 3. Buy adult or flowering succulents. That tiny echeveria cutting, don't expect babies anytime soon. Mature or flowering plants are wired differently. They've reached a stage where producing pups is almost like insurance. And here's the hidden pattern. Many succulents, especially aloe and agave, push out babies right after flowering. It's as if they sense time is running out, and the next generation must survive. Number 4. Fertilize them moderately. Feed your succulents too much and they'll grow fat and lazy. Feed them too little and they'll wither. But with a weak 10-10-10 liquid fertilizer diluted down to a fraction of strength, you hit the sweet spot. A healthy but slightly stressed plant feels the urge to reproduce. Think of it as a controlled temptation. You're giving them just enough to keep them thriving, but not enough to make them complacent. Number 5. Provide enough warmth and light. A sun-drenched aloe or echeveria is a pup-producing machine. Half a day of direct light and steady warmth is all it takes to flip the switch. Keep them in shade and nothing happens. Keep them under strong sun and suddenly the offsets appear. It almost feels like light itself is the signal, whispering to the plant that survival means multiplying now. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Succulents make more pups when they think the odds are stacked against them. By keeping them root-bound, feeding lightly, giving them heat and light, and watering only when bone dry, you're creating stress. Not deadly stress, but survival stress. And in that state, they'll multiply fast. It almost feels like you're tricking the plant into protecting itself, and the reward is a cluster of new babies. Want to uncover more of these hidden gardening secrets? Hit subscribe and like this video, because the next secret I reveal might just change the way you grow plants forever.